cat hair all over me. Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another no project video this week because I didn't get a chance to record my voiceovers in time, so you get a vlog. I'm thinking of changing my upload schedule slightly. I'm going to continue the Saturday night uploads, but it just might not be every Saturday moving forward. A couple of reasons for this. I have a couple longer term projects I've been putting off that I want to get to. My wife has been patiently waiting for a long time for some of these, while I either work on commission work or the other smaller, more easily completed projects. So it would be nice to get some of those bigger ones done. It's also getting into my busy season at the job again, and I just want to give myself a little bit of extra breathing room. Good news though, it won't be like last time. I'm not taking another 3-month hiatus, at least not right now. And I do hope, at least for now, to keep to a weekly schedule as much as I can. At the moment I do have 3 videos, this one included, ready to edit and publish, another 3 in progress, and a bunch more that I haven't had a chance to start yet, as previously mentioned. With that out of the way, as of January 28th, it's been 2 years since I started uploading videos, and 3 years since I started recording them. And as of right now, with the 331 of you that have subscribed so far, I just want to say thank you. Thank you for coming back every week to see what I'm up to. Without you guys, there really wouldn't be a channel. I know my wife appreciates you guys as well, because now I actually finish most of the projects I start. So, thank you. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you'll get a bit of a sneak peek on what projects might be coming to the channel in the future, as my video turnaround time is usually around a month or so, depending on what it is. But an update for those of you that don't, here are some of my upcoming videos. Next week is actually my router table upgrades, which should have actually been today's video, but again, I didn't get a chance to write the voiceover in time. So yeah, you'll see that next week. Remember these tiny turned wine bottles I made a while back? I made a bunch more for commission. Since the last time I published this, it was more of an instrumental video. This one's going to have a voiceover so you can see a little bit more of the process I went into. So that'll be another one coming up soon. This one was an armrest / lap mat I made for my brother-in-law as a Christmas gift. This was also my first time doing upholstery. It was kind of a fun project. It fits over top of his drawer, because he used his drawer as an armrest for his computer. And yeah, it's actually my wife's idea for this one, so that one will be another one coming up. During my 3-month YouTube hiatus, I was in the shop pretty much every day. I was working on a kitchen cabinet commission. This was a fun project, and it definitely kept me busy for a while. This was the project I actually made this router table for. That project will probably actually be 2 videos that'll come out later on. This one will be one of the ones I might need a little bit more breathing room on, because it was a bit of an extensive project, and I think I have about a terabyte worth of footage to sort through, so yeah, that one, it will be coming soon. Well, it will be coming. And over the Christmas break, my wife and I knocked a hole in the spare room wall, and we built a new closet for the front door. I'll probably get another 3 videos out of this project as well. This one was also not as extensive, but I did a couple other more specialized things in this. So I'm going to split it into 3 different videos, eventually. Like I said earlier, there are still videos coming. I'm not going anywhere. I do plan on sticking around here for a while yet. That being said, I should probably get this next batch of voiceovers recorded, so I'm going to call it a video. Thank you all for watching, and if you like what I'm doing here, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. If you have any questions or comments, I look forward to reading them in the comment section below. And if you want to see more up-to-date projects, you could follow me on Instagram at John the Schreiner. Otherwise, I hope to see you in the next video, and have a good one.